Hey everyone, I'm Selena and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Instant Pot Pro Plus pressure cooker, a game changer for anyone who loves quick, versatile, and delicious home cooking. If you're looking to level up your kitchen game, stick around because this one's packed with features you'll want to hear about. And don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's get started. First, let's break down what makes the Instant Pot Pro Plus so special. This is a 6-quart, 10-in-1 multi-cooker that does it all. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, sous vide, canning, warming, and even a unique NutriBoost feature that pulses steam to enhance flavors. What sets it apart is the Wi-Fi connectivity. You can control it from your phone using the Instant Brands Connect app, which has over 1,900 recipes that guide you step by step. The stainless steel inner pot has stay-cool silicone handles and is stovetop and oven-safe, so you can sear on the stove and finish in the Instant Pot. It's got a sleek digital display, intuitive touch controls, and safety features like overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Now let's talk about pros. This thing is a time saver. I cooked chickpeas from dry in just 40 minutes, way faster than the 8 hours of soaking and stovetop cooking I'd normally need. The app is a lifesaver for beginners, walking you through recipes like beef stew or lamb curry with perfect results. The steam release is stress-free with a one-touch button or app-controlled options, and it's quieter than older models, which is great if loud hissing freaks you out. The 6-quart size is perfect for families or meal prepping handling up to 6 servings. And that stainless steel pot? It's heavy-duty and versatile, letting you go from Instant Pot to stovetop without extra dishes. But nothing's perfect, right? Here are a couple of cons. The app, while handy, can feel clunky for manual controls. Adjusting settings like time or pressure requires extra taps, which isn't ideal if you're tweaking on the fly. Also, at 13 inches tall, it's a bit bulky, so you'll need a counter or storage space. Some folks might find the $170 price tag steep compared to basic models like the Instant Pot Duo, which is about $100. Lastly, the manual is pretty bare bones, so you'll rely on the app or online research for detailed cooking times. So, who's this for? I recommend the Instant Pot Pro Plus if you're a busy home cook, a meal prepper, or someone who loves smart kitchen tech. It's perfect for families or anyone who wants to make everything from chili to yogurt without juggling multiple appliances. If you're not into app-controlled cooking or just need basic pressure cooking, a cheaper model might do the trick. But for versatility and convenience, this one's tough to beat. Ready to give it a try? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Pro Plus on Amazon, where you'll find the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. It's a small way to support the channel while getting a great deal. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest kitchen gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.